What is the percent composition of lead chloride, PbCl2? So we want to get the percent composition of this compound. We're going to follow 4 steps. First, we're going to find the molar mass of each element. Then we're going to pay attention to the subscripts. And then after that, we're going to add everything up. And then finally, we're going to calculate the percentage, which is what we want. So walking through each step, the first step is finding the molar mass of each element in the compound. So I'm going to take out my periodic table, and I'm going to find the molar mass of lead, which is Pb. And on the periodic table, we see it has a molar mass of 207.2 grams. So I know my Pb is going to be 207.2, and my molar mass of chlorine is going to be 35.45 grams. So that was our first step, getting the molar mass of each element. Now, what I want to do is I want to determine the total mass of each element in the compound and paying attention to the subscripts. That's how we do that. So lead doesn't have any subscripts. That means there's just one lead atom, which has a mass of 207.2 grams. But this chlorine, you see the subscript of 2 right there. That means there are 2 chlorine atoms. So I'm going to multiply the mass of chlorine, the molar mass of chlorine, by 2. And so that 35.45 times 2 is going to give me 70.9 grams of chlorine. And now I'm going to go to my third step, which is to add up the total masses of all the elements in the compound. So 207.2 plus 70.9, that's going to equal my molar mass. I'm going to go backwards, I'm going to go this way. My molar mass, which is, let's see, 207.2 plus 70.9, 278.1. So the molar mass of lead chloride is going to be 278.1 grams per mole. Here we go. So now that I have the molar mass, I can now go on to the last step, which is to calculate the percentage mass of each element. And here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to take the total mass of lead to get the percent lead. I'm going to take the total mass of lead. So percent lead equals total mass of lead 207.2 divided by the molar mass 278.1 times 100. So putting that in the calculator, 207.2 divided by 278.1, that's going to give me that, times 100, 74.51% of lead. There it is. And now, to get the percent of chlorine, I can easily just do 100 minus the 74.51%, and that's going to give me 25.49% chlorine. And to check to see if my work is right, I can always just take my mass of chlorine, which is 70.9 grams, divide by my molar mass, 278.1, multiply it by 100, and let's see if I get the same thing. So 70.9 divided by 278.1 times 100, that's 25.49. So there it is. This is my percent chlorine. And this is how we calculate the percent composition.